Facial expressions, your silent social tool. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of nonverbal communication. We're going to discuss how we can use facial expressions to manage impressions in social situations. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll look at faces a little differently. Facial expressions are more than just reactions, they're a universal language. A smile in one country means the same in another. These expressions can convey our emotions, intentions, and sometimes even our secrets. In social situations, they play a crucial role in how we are perceived by others. We've all heard of the saying, "First impression is the last impression." Let's see how our face plays a role in this. 1. Smiling. A genuine smile makes you approachable. It sends a message that you are friendly and open to conversation. 2. Raised eyebrows. A slight raise of eyebrows can indicate recognition or show interest in what someone is saying. 3. Eye contact. Maintaining appropriate eye contact can show confidence and attentiveness. When we're in group settings, our facial expressions play a part in the flow of the conversation. 1. Nodding. This can show agreement or that you are following along with what is being said. 2. Frowning. This might indicate confusion or disagreement. However, use it wisely so as not to come off as too negative. 3. Surprised look. Wide eyes and raised eyebrows can show astonishment or intrigue about a topic. Even in challenging situations, our face can be a tool to diffuse tension. 1. Neutral expression. In a disagreement, maintaining a neutral face can prevent escalation. 2. Consoling expression. When someone is sharing sad news, a gentle and concerned expression can show empathy. 3. Closed eyes and deep breath. If you're feeling overwhelmed, taking a moment to close your eyes and breathe can indicate a need for patience. Lastly, let's not forget how our faces can magnify positive moments. 1. Heartfelt smile. Celebrate good news or moments with a broad smile. 2. Laughing. Laughter is contagious. A good laugh not only lifts your mood but also those around you. 3. Appreciative look. Expressing gratitude with your eyes and a smile can deepen connections with others. Facial expressions are incredibly powerful tools in our social toolkit. They can open doors, forge connections, and sometimes even save situations. I hope this video has shed light on the art and science of using our faces to our advantage in social situations. Remember, a face isn't just a face. It's a canvas of emotions and intentions. Until next time, stay expressive,